gotta get you in there. We'll get a signature photo. Oh, one will be your frame.
Haha, cool.
You're out there in the beach. Water buffalo, they were brought here in the 1600s.
Yeah.
They only sweat on the nose. That's why they call water buffalo.
Really?
Because they go in the water to soak, swallow and soak up so they can cool down.
So these guys have never seen cattle.
You can come touch it.
Out.
You don't bite.
One time here, Alex. Give a wave.
Have you ever been up on top of one of them?
Yeah, your water, picked it up. Cattle is a beast of burden. They carry their own weight and pull twice their weight.
Ask Uncle here if we can do it.
Yeah.
I promise. I'll be right here too.
Here, look, I went on it. Let's see.
I'm gonna get you up.
You gonna try too? Good, buddy. Good. You go. You can get it. You sure? Look, she's up there already. I won't even let go of you. I can pull you off real quick. Say hi. You got a smile.
Hello.
How about we go up in the air?
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
You got smile. You got a wait for her. You can touch a horn.
I'm gonna burn the rice.
You got a wait. Yeah, Miss Chamarita.
Coconut that fall off trees. Alright? Coconuts that fall off trees, so just be careful. Be aware.